Hi and welcome to Keepa's Creative Flow. We are looking at this kit today. So this was a gift that I got recently for my birthday, and I thought let's open it and together in here and see what's inside. So it says it's a complete pottery making kit, so I'm hoping it's got everything that you need to get started, and it's by Maverick Toys. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what's included. I hope you guys are doing all right. Excuse me. Oh wow. So it says, welcome to the wonderful world of pottery. Oh my goodness. So it's an air drying type of clay. You can then paint it, no need for a kiln. Oh, fantastic. And it's got a place where you can go to actually do some video tutorials before you get cracking. Oh wow. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is so cool. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, this is like a smoothing tool. It's similar to a rubber kidney that we can use in mosaics. You know what, let's just crack this open. Oh, very excited. Thank you Benji, for this. This is definitely going to be used, as you can tell. Right. I'm wondering if I should keep this as it is, or take it out. I think I'll take it out of this pouch and have to work out how to use these. Sorry about that crackling noise. Does it want to come out? Tease it along. I literally just took that other one out of there, so it should just come out easily. You know what, let's grab some scissors. Wow, it's got quite some intricate tools in here. Let me grab some scissors. Yeah, sorry I've been missing in action. Started a new placement. It's part of my occupational therapy degree, so I've been quite busy with that. Actually, I don't know what this is for. Oh, it must be for cutting. Like you, once you've done the clay, you kind of. Oh, wow. This is very, very exciting. Very exciting. And one of the times I'll show you, when we went on holiday to Cyprus, we actually went to a clay making workshop where we did make our own things as well. And yeah, this is pretty comprehensive actually. That's really nice. And this must somehow, yeah. Wow. I love it that it's got wood handles as well. And the sponge. So this reminds me of the rubber kidney that Mango Mosaics was recommending. It reminds me a bit like that. Some air drying clay. Fantastic. Oh, this is one of those. Got a bunch of brushes in here. Okay, I will put them with my other. Should I put them with my other brushes, or I could just leave the lids on? I like to see what I've actually got as well. The different numbers: 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. And this looks like a fun thing. I have to work out how to use all of this. I'll definitely be watching the video. This was different. We actually used a turning thing. This is very interesting. And then it's got some colours as well. So it's got acrylic paint, and it's mid yellow, violet, vermilion, which is a bit of a red, and then white. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Can't wait to get going with that. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you along and just show what I'm up to at the moment. Yeah, this will be very interesting to do this. Thank you. Thanks for joining me. Take care for now. Bye.